Hello guys, welcome back to Layla's channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make brownies. Before we get started, be sure to hit the notification bell and like and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. First, get your brownie mix. Here, I'll show you the version we're making today. We're making the M&M version. It should be on the back side of your brownie box. Here it is. If you guys want to make it, sure tell us. Now let's get started. Pour the batter in. That's a lot of batter. So we're just gonna pour it in. Leave it like that. What's next, Mom?
Eggs.
We do 2 eggs. Make sure you don't crack the shell in. If you do, it'll be icky. Next egg, we get 2 eggs, 1 mix, 1 brownie mix. I need a paper towel now. I need a paper towel. Hold on, Mom's getting me a paper towel. Now I got a paper towel. And next will be what? This one? Next would be water. What cup?
A fourth
A cup of water. And,
half a cup of oil.
half a cup of oil. And what do we do next? What do we mix it with? But next we have to mix it. Mom's giving me a spoon to mix it with. Of course, she made a spoon. Don't want to get your hands all messy. Next, we have to store the batter up. Mash the eggs up first. I like mashing eggs up. And egg looks so good. We just gotta keep on mixing it until it blends in. Here's what it looks like right now. Now you gotta get an adult, grease the pan for you. But now I have to still mix. I'll show you in just a minute what it looks like. We just gotta fancy the batter up no matter what. And here's what the batter looks like now. And have an adult spray again your pan. And next, what do I do, Mom? Just pour it in? So next, 5 years or older, if you're 5 years or older, you can do it. If you're not 5 years or older, you have to have an adult help you. But be sure you mix it really good. I have a tool pocket, so now I'm just gonna grab out my blue spatula so we can put it in the pan. We gotta pour the batter. The chocolate batter. No, I need the spoon. Mom, hold the spoon. Mommy's taking the spoon.
Wait.
Ooh, it's heavy. Yeah. She's so good, Brownies. It's hard. It hurts to hold the pan, but you gotta do it. If you want to make the perfect brownies. Mommy's holding the pan for me while I just scoop it out. Because I don't want to hold it anymore. If you get tired or your arm, ask an adult to help you and hold the pan and you just scoop it out. Lightly. But first, we have to spread this out. Mommy, take the batter away for a minute. I said take the batter away for a minute. I don't know. Can I just like this? No, it's raw eggs. It's okay. I'm spreading the pan now. Now we set our tool to the side. After we spread it good, this is what it looks like. I can't show you, but that what it half it looks like. Now we're gonna take a little M&M packet. You put them in before they cook, but they'll sink in when it cooks. So first I gotta open my M&Ms and check it in. I have little bags. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I got 6 little M&M bags. That's gonna be enough. Here's what they look like. Or you can just use one whole big one. We're just putting, this is all we have, 6 little M&M bags. We have little ones, but we didn't want to use those, so we're gonna use these. Oops, did I drop them on the floor? No. I think I dropped them on the counter. Then I'm just gonna keep on adding some. These will check back with you in just a moment. I'll check back with you for the M&Ms. It looks so good. I will do that, Mom. Put them up there, put them up there. Last bag, fellow people. Okay, here's what it looks like. M&M's in the pan. Oops, Mom's gonna go take this away from me. Get out the cooking supplies, and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. Oh, I got chocolate mix on me. Let's carefully just
Bake for 25 minutes.
Bake for 25 minutes. What are you staring at? Me? Oh. Sorry. I just love M&Ms. Now I'm gonna sing you guys a song. Do you know Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? If you do, leave it in the comments below. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Nice song. Okay, what song should we sing now? Whatever song you want me to sing, leave in the comments below. And be sure to do double thumbs up and subscribe. So, happy Father's Day, everyone. You know the Father's Day song? I love you, you love me, we are a happy family. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Now I know you love me too. I love you, you love me, we are a happy family. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Now I know you love me too. Choo-choo-choo. La-la-la-ba-la-ba-boom. What do you like? We're gonna keep on singing down, down. There's 2 little fishies down in the bay, down by the bay in the little fishy pool. Swam 3 little fishies, and mommy fishy too. And the mommy fishy said, swim, swim, swim as fast as you can. You know that song? If you do, leave it in the comments below again. Row, row, row your boat, hit me down the stream. Hit merrily, 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 life is what I dream.
Gently.
If you guys know row your boat, leave it in the comments below. Okay, we'll check back with you in a little. Bye. We're not saying bye. I'm just singing the song. Bye, 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 oh. Wait, here we go. Here we go. Here. Oh, we made muffins earlier. Just let me go show them. Here. Why can't I show them? Okay, hold on. Hold on, Philip. Here's what the muffins we made earlier look like. Mommy, are they hot? Not that hot. Here's what they look like. Blueberry muffins. Oh, it smells good. But I don't like blueberry muffins. So 1, 4, 6. That's fine. And then let's go with this. If it made 7, we could have filled in. But here's what all of them look like. Here, let's flip through my my Disney Princess cookbook. We've made some of the stuff from this to show you guys. There's lunch, breakfast, and snacks and desserts. But first I gotta flip to them. First, let's look at breakfast. We got, I can hold it up. Hold it back, put it back. We've got Rapunzel's pancakes. You can copy the recipe. We've got, wait, I think I skipped one. Never mind. We have, I don't know what these are, but there's something in Meridia you guys can read. Comment down below. Okay, let's flip to the next thing. Oh, here's the Mini Minders muffins. Okay, we might have made for you the chocolate chip. They're called blueberry muffins, but they're not the ones we just made because we usually make them as chocolate chips. Here's the recipe. Copy it if you want. Okay, I'm just going to skip a few pages because I don't want to flip through the whole book. Let's go back to desserts. I bet you guys will love desserts. Because they're so good, desserts. Our desserts are so good. They'll make you want to scream. So we got some tea if you want to make it, but I don't like tea. Either is my mom. Lemonade, I mean. Look. Copy the recipe if you want. And then we've got Rapunzel's lemonade. The other one was Rapunzel's tea and lemonade. Here's what it is. Copy the recipe if you want. Let's find a good one for you to show. Oh, here's Ariel's milkshakes. Like them? Showing them. Let's find another good one. Oh, Snow White's white hot chocolate. Copy the recipe if you want. And we got we got some one cookies. And follow the recipe if you want. We got Ariel Turtle cupcakes. We should make those today, shouldn't we? Nah, but we don't have the mix. We have mint cookies. With the hot chocolate icing. So we got this Meridia's ice cream. She's writing the trusty yours. Follow the recipe if you want. And last but not least, Rapunzel smoothies. Here they are. Copy the recipe if you want. And last but not least, we have our menus. That's the end, but next we have the menus. The menus Mom's gonna read to me. Rapunzel is what?
Head Start breakfast.
Head Start breakfast. What is it?
Pascal's pancakes, frying pan eggs, and sun punch.
Rapunzel's Pascal's frying pan eggs and You read them out loud so they can tell them.
Pascal's pancakes.
Pascal's pancakes,
Sun punch.
sun punch, and frying pan eggs. What's Meridia's?
Bullseye pizza.
Bullseye pizza,
Triplicious fruit salad.
Triplicious,
And toasted
Fruit
oatmeal
salad.
ice cream.
and toasted oatmeal ice cream. What's Belle's?
Chips bite-sized cookies.
Chips, bite-sized cookies. I just showed you the bite-sized cookies. It's chips.
Enchanting strawberry roses.
Enchanting strawberry rodents.
Mrs. Potts raspberry mint iced tea.
Mrs. Potts raspberry mint iced tea. What's Tiana's?
Tiana's down home dinner.
The Bayou meatloaf with
Southern spoon bread
southern spoon bread
and confetti corn.
and confetti corn. Is there any more menus?
Nope.
That's all the menus. Oh no, my dad's coming. Don't stop the video. Guys, now the brownies are done. Now let's see it. Mom, show the honors of the M&ms. I have a minute on, but no, it's hot. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe and write down notification bell. And bye. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time. And next time I'm sure there's gonna be a person in the next video.